So, this is 1 1 1 plane with P as origin. Now, include in this 1 1 bar 0 plane also, just now you made that plane. So, include a 1 1 bar 0 plane in this, make this drawing and include 1 1 bar 0 plane, and then tell me what is the line of intersection, Miller indices of line of intersection. So, problem. So, draw both the planes, one plane is already drawn for you, and draw in the same unit cell, draw another plane, that is 1 1 bar 0. You already saw that plane in the previous one. You can try to draw this here, and then try to observe what is the common direction. 2 2 1 bar. What is a nice choice for origin of 1 1 bar 0? So, B is a nice choice. So, from B you can easily draw 1 1 bar 0. So, 1 from B will be where? 1 from B at point D. So, D is a point, D is a point on my plane. 1 1 oh, there is some permutation of this answer, 1 1 2 bar. So, this is the point on the plane, this is my origin, this is my origin, this is a point on the plane, because it is cutting at 1 on the x axis. On the y axis it is cutting minus 1. So, this is another point on the plane. So, this is a point on the plane, this is a point on the plane. On z axis it is 0, means it is parallel to the z axis. So, from these points I draw a line parallel to the z axis. So, I go that way. So, I find 2 more points on the plane. Since I have 4 points, 3 points were sufficient to define a plane. I have 4 points. So, I can nicely draw my 1 1 1 plane. So, this becomes my 1 1 1 plane, sorry 1 bar 1 1 bar 1 0 plane. Now, you have to find the line of intersection. So, you have to look for points which are common. Which are the points which are common?
C point and the midpoint of the.
So, C is on both the planes. So, C is a point of C should lie on the line of intersection, and the center of the bottom face is also on both the planes. So, that is also on the line of intersection, and 2 points are sufficient to define my line of intersection. So, I get my line of intersection as the line going from C to this. This becomes my line of intersection. So, geometrically I have found it. All I have to do now is to find its Miller indices. So, for Miller indices, what will be the convenient origin?
C.
C. So, from C I want to go to this bottom face center. So, from C the x axis is coming here, y axis is coming here and z is going that way. So, since I want to reach the face center, I have to go only half in the x direction. So, half here, half in the y direction will bring me to the top face center, and then I have to travel 1 down. So, half 1 down, and I do not like fractions. So, I multiply by 2, I get 1 1 2 bar. So, 1 1 2 bar was the right answer. If you choose, there was a possibility, although it is a face center, one will not choose an origin on the face center, but if you choose the origin on the face center and decide to go that way, then you will get the negative of this bar 1 2. That is also an acceptable answer. Its only sense is different. So, if I am asking for a line of intersection and I am not thinking whether this way or this way, I am thinking of the whole line, then either of them is the right answer. But if I am thinking of a flow of electric current, so see, if I am thinking of a stress, tensile stress. Now, tensile stress has a line, but it does not have a sense. Tensile stress is not acting to my right. If you are putting tensile, do not try to do that, but if somebody is pulling my right hand that way and my left hand this way, I am under tension, I will definitely be under tension. So, but you cannot say that the tension is on the right or tension is on the left, but you can say that the tension is on this axis, it is not on this axis or it is not on vertical. So, it has a unique line, but the vector sense is not defined. So, 1 1 2 bar or bar 1 2 both are fine, but if I say electric current is flowing, then you have to decide whether it is flowing in 1 1 2 bar direction or bar 1 2 direction. So, depending on context, sometimes we may differentiate, sometimes we may think it is the same. So, thank you very much.